this is our first official look at the OnePlus 8T. This official render was shared by a tipster on Twitter. Well, today we have got some specs of OnePlus 8T as well, which were leaked by Android Central, and they are pretty sure about these specs that these are 100% confirmed specs. You can see this OnePlus 8T render, we don't see any change in design. It is almost same as of OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. Well, the only major difference is just narrow bottom chin. Yes, OnePlus has just reduced it a little bit to make the display even more realistic and great, while on OnePlus 8 series it was a bit thicker. Other than that, everything is same, and we have same single punch hole selfie camera at the top left corner of display. Unfortunately, we don't have any design leaks for the rear side of phone. I would recommend you to subscribe to channel for that. Now let's talk about the leaked specs. So according to Android Central, OnePlus 8T is going to have 6.55 inches Full HD Plus AMOLED display. Now this OnePlus 8T will also have 120Hz refresh rate, and that is really impressive. This is what we also saw on OnePlus 8 Pro. Android Central has also confirmed the camera details, and according to their sources, OnePlus 8T will have quad camera setup at the rear side, which might include a 48 megapixel primary lens joined by a 16 megapixel ultra wide angle module, a 5 megapixel macro lens, and then finally a 2 megapixel depth sensor for portraits. Now don't get confused by that 48 megapixel lens, as we all know that OnePlus has also used the 48 megapixel sensor in OnePlus 8. But this OnePlus 8T will have a new image sensor, so that's a jump. Now at the front side you can see we have a single selfie camera setup, but we don't have any details for this, but we can expect that same 16 megapixel sensor here that OnePlus has recently used on their OnePlus 8 series. Some of the specs which haven't yet confirmed, but we can predict that OnePlus 8T will come in 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage variant. Talking about the processor, then OnePlus 8T is most likely to have Snapdragon 865 Plus SoC. If not, then Snapdragon 865 is confirmed. Other than that, OnePlus 8T will have Android 11 support and will be running on Oxygen OS 11 out of the box. Talking about the launch date, then we don't have exact one, but according to Android Central, OnePlus might launch OnePlus 8T at the end of September or in the first week of October. That's all for OnePlus 8T. Do let me know your thoughts on this phone. Stay tuned by subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.